Facebook ads are definitely worth it, and there are many reasons for that. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 4 reasons. Number 1, when you are creating the ads, you can write the ad copy that will encourage people to buy your product or service. Within the creatives, you can demonstrate the benefit of your product or service. So with the ad copies and the image and video, you can really encourage people to buy your product or service. Number 2, Facebook ads are good for targeting specific group of people based on age, gender, interest, location, and much more. Number 3, Facebook ads allow you to do retargeting. That means you can target people who have been to your website and target people who have been to your Facebook page and Instagram account. Number 4, Facebook ads allow you to use lookalike audience. Lookalike audiences are audience that have the same or similar characteristics of your. You can upload a list of your previous customers and Facebook will find new customers. These are the 4 reasons that concludes that Facebook ads are definitely worth it. If you have found the video useful, write it in the comment. Subscribe if you would like to see similar content on Facebook and Instagram ads.